A professor of quantity surveying and procurement studies at the Federal University of Technology Akure FUTA, Professor Awodele, has advocated comprehensive land surveys to determine soil conditions and assess the suitability of construction projects. He emphasized the need for professional surveying practices to support proper planning, ensure structural integrity, and promote sustainable development. Professor Awodele made the call while delivering the 201st inaugural lecture of the institution in Akure. Olajumoke Oladimeji reports.
The inaugural lecture, titled Integrating Procurement Models, Risk Management and Stakeholders' Expectation for Sustainable Construction, examined strategies for achieving sustainable outcomes in the construction industry. Delivering the lecture, Professor Awodele emphasized the critical role of quantity surveyors in creating value across every stage of the construction process. He urged practitioners, policymakers, educators, and students to adopt initiative approaches to project conception, procurement, and delivery in order to meet evolving industry demands.
The sustainable construction or the sustainable development has to do with a type of development that is conscious of social, environmental, and economic impact that it will have on the society. So if we want to achieve that, there is need to integrate both the procurement system model and risk, as we know, is inherent in every day-to-day activity, and therefore it's important that we identify this risk.
The Vice Chancellor of the Federal University of Technology, Akure, Professor Adenike Oladiji, alongside other participants, commended the lecturer for drawing attention to the importance of thorough land assessment and planning before the commencement of the construction projects.
Sustainable construction cannot be achieved through isolated reforms in procurement systems, risk management practices, or stakeholder engagement strategies. Rather, sustainability emerges as the outcome of deliberate.
Our government must wake up and make sure that the construction industry is streamlined and managed.
If you keep on using professionals, those in charge, like the quantity surveyors, and those doing the materials that they are using will be correct, and those collapsing of buildings, it will really be reduced or totally be eradicated.
When we want to construct, you must survey your surroundings and make sure that the environment and the soil, the factors around, are taken into consideration before construction.
Professor Awodele maintained that sustainable construction can only be achieved through effective procurement practices, robust risk management strategies, and active stakeholder engagements. The lecture marked the 201st inaugural lecture of the university, the 25th from the School of Environmental Technology, and the 3rd from the Department of Quantity Surveying in Akure. Olajumoke Oladimeji, NTA News.